Hello sir, my name is Xiu Kai Jing and my teammate Xiong Yi Heng. Now, welcome to our project assessment demonstration video, and our project created is Advanced Safety Door Lock. How we say it advanced? In our door lock, we got installed a temperature and humidity sensor, and when the temperature is too high, it will automatically unlock the door without any password. So the people inside can run out the room in the first time, and also easier for the firemen to rescue the people. Okay, so we built our code in Mbed environment. After we build, we compiled it, and the .bin file is in our folder. We just upload it to our NUCLEO board. After the upload process, we can see that firstly, I will introduce the connection of our circuit. The LED 1, which is green LED, is connected to the PA1, and LED 2, blue LED, will connected to PC6, and LED 3, the red LED, will connected to PC8, and the buzzer is connected to PB0. The temperature sensor is connected to PA0, and the connection of keypad and also the LCD will list in the lab report. Okay, so after we upload the code, we can I will start the demonstration of our project. So firstly, we try to enter the default password, which is 6 digit of 0. The purpose why we set to 6 digit is to make sure the security of the door lock, because if 4 digit, the combination is easy to try, and also the password for our credit card and debit card also 6 digit. So we think that 6 digit is more secure. Okay, so the default password is allow the door to open, which shown by the green LED. If the green LED light up, that means the door is open. If the red LED light up, means the password is wrong, and it will act as alarm as well. So I will show how it's act as alarm. So I try to enter a wrong password. Okay, so the LED 3 will light up for 2 times, and for the third wrong password entered, okay, so it will sound 2 times also. But when start at the 4th time, when the person try to enter the password wrongly for 4 times, it will start to count down 10 seconds. Okay, after 10 seconds, if the person still trying the password and enter wrongly, it will need to wait for 30 seconds, and the alarm will also sound for 30 seconds. So we just wait the alarm pass. The video will be a bit long, so just enjoy. Okay, now we enter the wrong password for the 6th time. Okay, so now it will wait for 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes. If the person try to enter another wrong password, it will automatically add another 2 minutes of waiting time. So I will demonstrate after the time. Okay, the time is passed. So now I will demonstrate for the 7th time password wrong. So if it is wrong again, we can see that it asks us to wait for another 2 minutes, which is total 4 minutes of waiting time. So it will automatically add until the owner of the room come or something else. So I will reset it. Okay, so now I will demonstrate for our change password function of our door lock. Firstly, we just need to press the hashtag button on the keypad, and it will enter the change password interface, and we just enter the current password, which is 6 digit of 0, and it will allow us to key in the new password. Let's say I key in 1 2 3 4 5 6 as our new password, and now we can open our door using the new password. Okay, we can clearly see that the door is opened by our new password, and the old password is not allowed to use. So now I will demonstrate for our temperature sensor, which the ground is connected to the ground, and the VCC is connected to the 5-volt pin, and the output is connected to the PA0. Okay, the temperature sensor will install in the inside of a door lock, so that the thief will not just using a torch or something else to make the temperature high and the door open automatically. So the temperature we set is around 43 degrees Celsius, which because we just use the hair dryer to heat it up. In the actual fire, we don't recommend to set 40 degrees Celsius because the temperature is not so low. Okay, so now we just open our hair dryer. Okay, so we can see that now is 47, around 50 degrees Celsius, and the blue red LED will like illuminate alternately as an alarm, and it will notice by the fireman or someone else to report the police or just call for help. Okay, and we can see that the door is kept open because the green LED is illuminate all the time. Okay, so because the temperature is higher than 43 Celsius, so it keeps the alarm on. When the temperature drop down to 43, it will stop the alarm. Okay, so we can see that after the temperature drop until 43, it stopped the alarm. We heat it up again. So the alarm will activate when the heat is come out. So we just wait the temperature to drop out. The keypad now is not function because the door is open. Okay, so that's all for our project demonstration. Thank you, sir, for watching our video. And now I'll test the password for the password is okay. So that's all for me. Thank you, sir.